Welcome to the channel, and welcome to Mad Hatter Bags. Hey everybody, welcome back to Mad Hatter Bags. Thank you so much for tuning in to watch my video today. I do appreciate that. Y'all, today I'm gonna unbox two really nice bags that I just bought recently from Micheal Kors. They finally came in, so I can't wait to share those with you. I'm not usually a huge fan of Micheal Kors, but I found this one bag and I was like, what am I doing sleeping on this bag? I have to have it in my collection, so I ordered it right away. And they had such a nice sale going on that I went ahead and ordered two bags. So there's gonna be an extra bag in this video. And if you stick around to the end, you'll be able to see that video as well. Now y'all, the main bag of this video is gonna be the Manhattan Medium Contrast Trim Satchel. And it's gonna be the black one. It has this neon trim on it and it's really beautiful. It comes in two different colors. You can get it in black or white. Of course, I had to have the black one, but I will show you that in a moment. Before I show you these two bags and unbox them for you, I do wanna say thank you to all my returning subscribers. If you're new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing today by hitting that subscribe button and the bell notification so you'll know next time I have a new post. Now, if you'd like to follow me on any of my other social media, y'all hop on over and follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and my TikTok channel. I do a lot of fun stuff on my TikTok channel, and I post high quality images of some of the stuff I review on my Instagram page, so definitely check those out. For everything else Mad Hatter, go ahead, check out my beacon links. It's gonna be the first link under my YouTube bio. You can find lots of great information there, shopping links and discount codes as well, so definitely check it out. Y'all, let's go ahead. I'm gonna unbox these two bags and I'll show you the last one at the end of this video, so do stay tuned for that. But I'm really excited to see how this bag looks, and it's my first purchase from Micheal Kors, so let's go ahead, let's open the box up and unbox and see what we got here. So of course it came in this box here from the UPS. Let me slice it open here and we're gonna see what we got in the box. Okay, got a little stuffing in here. And here is my main bag. And of course I'm gonna surprise you with the other one in a few minutes. I'll show you what it's gonna be. But here is how the main bag came packaged. This is gonna be the Manhattan bag in the medium. So let's get it open and see what it looks like. Y'all, I got this bag for a steal too. The sale, like I said, is going on right now and it's so good of a sale, I had to get it. Now this bag is normally like $600 and I wanna say $87. I got it for $135. So a steal on this beautiful little bag, and it's so cute. I love the 80s, so this really just goes with my style, and I just thought it was so beautiful. All right, here it is. It's wrapped up really nicely. It's got all this paper and stuff on it. Let me get everything unwrapped and I'm gonna show you this cute little crossbody satchel. All right, y'all, so I got all of the wrapping off of this bag and it's so cute. I just love all of the neon colors on it. I can't believe I have never seen this bag before, y'all, so I was so happy when I ran across it. But like I said, I think all of the hardware and everything on it is just beautiful with the iridescent hardware color. I've never really seen that on a bag, but I just fell in love with it. It's a really nice size for me too. It fits a pretty good amount of stuff in it, but let me show you some close-up details of it, and I'll show you all the beautiful hardware and all the neon colors on it. And then after that, I'll show you some mod shots with me wearing the bag. All right, y'all, here is the bag close up. I just think it's stunning. It's made out of real leather, of course, and let me show you up close. You've got your detailing here of your Micheal Kors and this beautiful iridescent hardware. This is the little clasp that you open up to get inside the bag. Let's do a 360 of the bag and then we'll come back with some closer details, but there's the side of it. You've got these little rivets down the side and that iridescent hardware and some little corner pieces as well on the bottom part there. So very nice. All right, and then there's the back of it. Really nice. The leather feels good on it. It's got a really structured feel to it, which I really like too. A top handle. It also has a crossbody strap, which I'll show you in a few minutes. And y'all, I just love the contrast glazing it has on it in this beautiful yellow and neon colors. Simply beautiful. And I love the iridescent. They need to do that more on other bags. All right, and then there's the bottom of it with your four little corner pieces. It's just very nice. Of course, your top handle on the top has this nice leather strap across the top there. And it's got two little pieces that separate, but very nice, reinforced. And of course, your iridescent hardware is on there as well. So that is the 360 of it. Let's move on the inside and I'll show you the inside and then I'm gonna show you the strap. All right, y'all, before we move inside the bag, I did notice one detail that I thought was really cute on here. Look at this little stitching pattern on here. It looks like a little martini glass on the side there. Simply adorable. I love details like that. All right, let's move inside of it. To move inside, you just open this little clasp here and it's gonna pop right open here for you. All right, and then you're on the inside. Same thing on the inside, there's your iridescent hardware. These little straps on the top here aren't really usable, but they're a cute detail, and I love the leather on the inside of this bag. The top part of the bag has your iridescent little rivets there with the neon glazing and everything on those little pieces there too. So the neon glazing goes all the way around the bag too, so it's really, really cute. All right, y'all, let me show you the inside of it here. You do have this zipper pocket with a leather zipper pull on it. Let me open that up for you. There's some paperwork in here from Micheal Kors, a little care card. And then, like I said, your interior is lined, if you can see that, with the Micheal Kors logoed lining. There is your zipper pull here, leather zipper pull. So very nice on that. I love the details on that. And then of course on your inside too, you do have your Micheal Kors label there on the zipper pocket. So very nice details on the inside of this bag here. All right, y'all, so that is the interior of the bag. Let's close it back up. All right, y'all, now that I've shown you the outside and the inside of the bag, let me show you the strap real quick, and I'm gonna put it on and show you some mod shots. All right, y'all, here's the strap here. You have these really nice iridescent little connectors here. I just love that iridescence look. And it does have the Micheal Kors logoing on the back side of these little connectors there, if you can see that on camera. So I love the details, and I love the glazing in that neon color. Nice long leather strap with crossbody, or either over the shoulder. And just look at that iridescence. I think that's pretty. All right, y'all, and it's a pretty long strap here. I'll show it to you on in just a minute, but that is the strap. And I just love the iridescent in the hardware, y'all. This bag just screams 80s, and I love it. So let me try it on for you. All right, y'all, here is the bag on crossbody, and it's a really nice length on the strap. I just love it. And I think it's such a cute bag. Now you can wear it over your shoulder, and of course it's gonna be longer and come down past your waist. I am 6'2", so it's gonna be shorter on me, but a really nice length on the crossbody feature. So that's really it. And I just think it's a stunning little bag. Y'all let me know what you think about this Micheal Kors bag in my comments. Y'all stick around, let me show you the last bag I got. It's a surprise. All right, y'all, I am so in love with this little Manhattan satchel. I think it's so adorable and cute, and like I said, I just love that iridescent look on it. Y'all let me know what you think about it in the comments. Let's unbox the other bag that I got. That's a little surprise at the end here, and you'll see what I got. All right, y'all, let's get this other bag out and see what it is. It's an even bigger bag, so let's see what I got here. It is all wrapped up, and it's big, so I may keep it. You know, I like a big bag. Let's see, let's get into this packaging here. And like I said, this was such a good deal. I just had to get it because it's even real leather. And this one is going to be the Cooper leather tote, and it's in this beautiful navy color. So it's really beautiful as well. Let's get it out. I'll unwrap these handles and everything, and I'll show you a little more details on this bag too. But a really good deal from Micheal Kors, y'all. All right, y'all, so I got all the packaging off of this Cooper leather tote, and it's really beautiful in this navy color. I think it's a stunning tote. Let me just do a 360 of it. And there's the back side of it. It has a nice pocket on the back there. And the leather feels really good on it as well. I'll show you some close-ups in a minute. I just wanted to do a little 360. So that's all of the outside of it. So let me show you some close-ups, and then we'll go on the inside. All right, y'all, so let me show you some close-ups on this bag. It's really nice, and it feels really good. Like I said, the leather's nice. You've got your Micheal Kors logo there, and you got some strap pieces here that go down in that beautiful leather. The bottom is just a flat bottom on it, as you can see, but the leather on it, like I said, it's kind of a pebble leather, and it's pretty soft and feels really nice. You have a leather trim here in the same color around the top edges of it, and then going down the side, just a seam there. The back side, like I said, you do have a pocket here that you could put stuff down in, and the pocket has a nice lining on the inside, this line with the Micheal Kors lining as well. The handles on it are kind of a thicker handle, and they're very nice and comfortable as well. So a really nice tote. Let's go on the inside, and I'll show you the interior of the bag. All right, y'all, so on the top of the bag, you have a nice big zipper area here that closes up. So I love that. It's got some dark glazing along the top too. I don't know if you saw like it in a black color, so that's nice. I like it, contrasts good with the navy. And then let's open it up. There is the interior. If you can see on the inside there, it's dark, so it's kind of hard to see, but see if I can get it good. Okay, there we go. It is the Micheal Kors lined interior there, as you can see, really nice. It's got some really good storage spaces too. It has a little Velcro strap here that comes undone. that will allow this pocket to drop down. You could put your laptop in there or a tablet. And then on the opposite side, you're gonna have a zipper pocket with a nice zipper and leather pull. Here is the pull here, and there is your leather pull there. So, and here is the interior of that pocket. Got some more paperwork from Micheal Kors in there. So that's the interior side there. Then you also have some little slip pocket areas here too, a little one there, and then two little pencil holders on this side, if you can see that there. So really nice interior on this bag, y'all. I think it's a really cute tote, and I just love this navy color. And like I said, this was a steal on this bag. I want to say I paid like $62 because of the sale they have going on. So y'all, go ahead if you like Micheal Kors and check out their website and the sale they've got going on. So it's really nice. All right, y'all, that's my review for today on this beautiful Micheal Kors Manhattan satchel in this neon trim color. Love it, love the iridescence on it. And this is the Cooper tote from Micheal Kors. Really, really nice, and it's beautiful in this navy color, and I love the leather on it. So I'll probably keep both of them and definitely use them, but I'm really happy I found this Manhattan bag. I hope you enjoyed my review on them today, and I hope I gave you enough information on them. If not, you can always email me at madhatterbags@gmail.com. Y'all don't forget to check out my other social media, and if you haven't subscribed to Mad Hatter Bags yet, go ahead, hit that subscribe button before you leave. And if everybody could just take a moment to give my video a like if you enjoyed it, I appreciate that. I'll see everybody on my next review. Bye.